This is day one of our first project, food truck in Goa. We've procured the van today. Today is the 27th of October. We procured the van and heading it now to the workshop where they will work on getting it functional. This van has been lying closed for over 2 years, unoperational. Yeah, so let's get it done. We are getting towed by the towing vehicle, headed towards the garage, the workshop where we will get the vehicle functional, engine work, etc. done. So catch you at the workshop now. So we're here at the garage now, we're in the vehicle for the job to be carried out in it. For those of you who would like to know, this truck was a part of a TV series called Femme Foodies, which played in the year 2017. So these trucks were basically built for that program. So you would see some pretty chicks cooking on these trucks back in those days. So trucks have been lying waste for almost 3 years. So it's got a properly equipped kitchen area. It has a fridge, refrigerator, LED light fittings, complete electricals already done, as you would have seen. It's a fully functional truck. It's got the grills, stove, gas configuration, everything done. And the beautiful part of it, sky roof. Yeah, it's a complete exhaust for the vehicle. Now we'll keep you posted on the next update once we get moving on this. Yeah, it also has an OTG which runs on electric power. Of course, we won't be able to use electric power because in Goa getting a power point to the food truck is really next to impossible. So what we will be doing is we will be using a power generator for it. Yes. Alright guys, that's it for now. We are back at the food truck. I had a couple of jobs that need to be carried out, like we needed the oil pump to be changed, which was one of the reasons why there was no oil coming up to the valves, which caused the valves to bend. So the technician has just replaced the same and we're getting it fitted. Hopefully we should be able to move the vehicle out of the garage today. So the valves had got bent and that took time because we needed, that's the oil pump, the old oil pump. And yeah, coming back to the valves had got bent, so which is why we needed to take it to the late guy and then they replaced it. So yeah, a lot of technical stuff went down in the last 3 weeks that we have not been able to vlog this build because of this being Goa, where things take its own sweet time to happen. You can't really jump the gun with it. And that's my wife Annie, also Mombiker, checking the wiper liquid and was checking our coolant earlier to see if it's all good. Yep, so we shall get back with this video once we are moving the vehicle out from the garage today. Yeah, the engine is now up and running. Got to keep it on a little bit of a dry run to make sure everything is functioning well before we pack the engine again. So finally something good after almost a month of it being in the workshop. We have made some headway, I can say. This work is being carried out at Babani Auto Workshops at Girim. So in case anybody facing any issues with their vehicle, you can probably stop by. Mostly expertise with wheel alignments as well as diesel engines.
And is finally leaving the garage.
Finally got the truck out of the garage. this morning. Got it clean washed. Got the entire vehicle scrubbed from the inside. Absolutely clean as of now. And now we start with phase 2. So this is the truck. All sides. So if you see in the start of the video the condition the truck was in compared to now, looks more spick and span. So now we start with work on the interiors. So we need to get platforms cleaned, scrubbed clean and shining. So getting started on mission clean, polish and shine. Once we have our labels on, start the video again. Okay, so we managed to get the power up in the truck. All the lights are working well. So is the exhaust. The oven switch also is coming on, which means that the electricals are good. And yes, even the fridge comes on. That's for the fridge. And the fridge has got its lights inside, which light up for the cooler. So it's got some lights inside which light up. So yeah, overall, seems like a worthy investment, these lights. So everything is functional inside. Yeah, it's the main. So all electrical is good. We started off with the cleaning of the van, removing all the rust from the entire counters as much as we can. The entire family working on it.
Teamwork.
Yeah. We are using combination of WD-40 and another abrasive liquid called Launch, and also trying the Coca-Cola trick. The Coca-Cola trick doesn't work, okay. So this is how it works, and this is in the process of cleaning. So now we'll get back once the cleaning is done. Getting the sunroof of the truck cleaned. Got the boys to climb up. Turn the green. And here is our monkey, who's been taking care of all the water needs. Open it a little more. Let's crop it down. Last spray wash done for the entire flooring after we cleaned the counters. That's Mombiker doing the pressure washing. Cleaning the flooring of all the dirt. Using Tide to wash the flooring. in the flooring a good scrub.
Put diesel.
Okay, we got done with the cleaning, almost completed. Working on getting the electricals in place. Some of the lights weren't working, so Uncle Alvin working hard on that, replacing the LED lights with some new ones. So those we just recently replaced. These are working. The up ones, the ceiling ones are working fine. These getting replaced. Bending doors, lights. Still some cleaning left to be done before running the rust. On the counters we managed to clear all of it. Counters are now shining. Just a few stains which will go away over the course of time. So how did we manage to clean most of it, the rust? Is by using a couple of sprays that we bought, and the WD-40 worked wonders. You see, shining.